Hey guys, it's Munchkin. You're watching WoodPigeon Outdoors.
Hey guys, Jay here from WoodPigeon Outdoors, along with
Jill. Hi guys.
Fun video today. It's mail call time.
Mail call.
Mail call.
Okay.
Mail call or roll call. Roll call. We could always do a roll call. You know, roll call. Leave where you're from down below so we know where everybody's watching from. Anyways, so mail call. We got mail from Hiking Deep. Hiking Deep, Stephen Bowie Ford and Joy.
Okay.
Right? You know them. We talk to them often on the phone and check out their videos and whatever. We'll leave a link down below. But yeah, they sent us pretty big. I hope there's nothing broken in here.
Unbreakable.
Unbreakable. Okay. You want to open? Do I open?
No, you can open it.
I
It looks
open.
pretty well taped and.
Yeah, somebody likes to use tape. Like a lot of
Can
tape.
you go grab the scissors?
No, we can. It's heavy too. Like. There we go. There we go. Holy cow. I don't know who packed it, if it was Steve or if it was Joy, but they use a lot of tape. This side has like paper tape, so it might be easier. It might not. I suck at this. See, this is why she wants me to open up the packages, because she likes to see me struggle with the package. Right?
Really work for your stuff.
Mm-hmm. Really?
You really got so much in.
But she has a castle. Munchkin, we get her beds, and we get her little knickknacks and everything, and like every child, they go for the box. Holy cow. There we go. One side open. There we go. And we're
I
scaring
really hope
Munchkin.
there's nothing
Breakable.
fragile and or whatever.
I'm usually the same way around Christmas time. It's, but holy cow.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah, you are. So, but we do have a letter. Says, "Hi Jane Jill, we wish you a sweet and successful year. Thank you for your friendship, and we hope to meet you in person one of these days. All the best, Stephen and Joy Ford of Hiking Deep." So very cool. Thank you very much. And looks like we got some goodies in here. Cherry mash. Oh, these, yeah. He was talking about these. We don't get cherry mash in Canada.
What's cherry mash?
Yeah. I believe it's the chocolate with the cherry inside.
Like cherry blossom?
Probably like cherry blossom. And then
That's all for me because you don't eat any of those stuff. You eat
What?
just wild edible.
I eat chocolate. More. And then there's the 100 grand.
We don't get that here either, no?
No, we don't. Made by Nestle. We do have Nestle in Canada, but we don't
Yeah,
get.
but we're not that remote.
But we don't get cherry blossom or cherry mash or 100 gram. And a bunch of Hershey Kisses.
That we get.
Mm. Mm. You don't want to give me a Hershey Kiss? Okay.
That's how sexy Jake can get. Right.
I am sexy. Oh, okay. So if you guys haven't done so already, these, as you want, are meal bags. So,
All right. So to keep
yeah,
food
so
cold, I guess.
keep on, to actually cook your meal in it. So basically what
Okay.
you do with this is if you have those sidekicks, like the right sidekicks, whatever, and you put that in, you put your hot water in and you close it up and you leave it there to cook. And what it does, it leaves a nice hot meal. So basically when we do the rehydrated chili.
Oh, okay.
And if you want to know how to make these, go over to Hike and Deep's channel. I'll leave a link right here. And Joey does an awesome job on showing you how to make one of these.
Nice.
So,
Oh, we're gonna try that for sure.
so we have
Nice.
a Hike and Deep shirt. I think this one's for you because I already have one. But if you guys don't, with the chief on the back,
Okay.
with the channel name, that one's for you.
Fair enough. Long sleeve.
Long sleeve. Oh, I think the long sleeve's for me.
What?
I think the hoodie's for you. And from what Steven was telling me was he's coming out with hoodies. I believe this was the first one out. So there's the chief on the front as well as the chief on the back. And this is actually really, I think the hoodie is yours.
You like?
So soft. Okay, I'll let you.
It's like you're gonna protect us from the babies.
Yeah.
They like to, especially Charity. She like to chirp chirp
So
on everything that's really really soft.
so basically, what chirp chirp is she does the kneading on soft blankets and she'll suckle it. But guys, with that said, you know, go over, check out Hike and Deep's channel. Again, I'll leave the description down below, or his channel down below in the description. And check out his video on how to make these little pouches. The link again will be up here. I just like covering your face. But as always guys, stay safe out there. Cheers.